Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this vlog I am going to make you explore Kola Beach. Stay tuned till the end because at the end I am going to take you to the beautiful lagoon naturally available at Kola Beach. A beautiful cliff and a sunset on that. Amazing private properties, amazing lagoon, and an ocean just by your side on Kola Beach. Kola Beach has many other offerings as well. Let's see. Kola Beach is located in South Goa, and South Goa is almost 50 kilometers from the North Goa. As we all know, North Goa is a hub of party places. Similarly, South Goa is hub for beauty and the nature at its best. Okay, so I finally reached to Kola Beach. So guys, this green color hut is basically the landmark जहाँ से आपको सामने की तरफ मुड़ जाना है अपने बाइक पे या स्कूटर पे। और शार्ट पे एक लोकल हमें मिले और उन्होंने हमें एक सीक्रेट रास्ता बताया अगोंडा से कोला बीच जाने के लिए। ये रास्ता काफ़ी ऑफ रोडिंग वाला रास्ता है, जंगल के बीच से जाता है, माउंटेन्स कट करते हुए जाता है, पर आपको 10 मिनट में अगोंडा से कोला पहुंचा देता है। This is a secret way to reach Kola Beach. Every local know about it, and if you take a regular way through a Google map, that is going to make you trek for 4 kilometers. A very important thing to notice here is that if you are coming to Kola Beach for a sunset and driving through this jungle, make sure that you leave the place on time because it is a jungle and रात को जंगल में से रास्ता ढूंढना will become impossible. जैसे ही आप कोला बीच के पास पहुंचने वाले होंगे, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ ब्रेथ टेकिंग व्यू ऑफ दिस ओशन. I stopped here for 5 minutes and then clicked few pictures and then headed towards Kola Beach. It is definitely a picture taking place for sure. तो फाइनली आई हैव रीच टू कोला बीच. ये पीछे आप उसका रास्ता देख सकते हो. बहुत मज़ा आया ऑफ रोडिंग करके. लोकल से पूछ के यहाँ पर आ सकते हो आप. आई वॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम अगोंडा बीच. अगोंडा बीच से 30 मिनट का रास्ता है, अदरवाइज मैप पे दिखा रहा था, बट यहाँ पे आई रीच मैक्सिमम इन 10 मिनट्स में. मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँ 8 मिनट्स आई थिंक सो. ऑफ रोडिंग करो, पहुँच जाओ यहाँ पे. लोकल से पूछते हुए आना. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि कितना सुंदर रास्ता है. पहले थोड़ी सी ऑफ रोडिंग है एंड देन यहाँ पे स्टेयर्स हैं. स्टेयर्स नीचे उतर कर बस बीच है. चलो दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको. So guys, the staircase which leads down to the beach is built properly and concretely. Since there are two properties over here, there are only two properties. One is Blue Lagoon and second is Dwarka. Both of these properties are expensive because the view they serve is exclusive and amazing. Kola Beach is still very unexplored. Not very much crowd is attracted here. Generally the people who are living in these two properties only have an access, but yes, you can go and explore. So the best part about staircases is that when you are going down way, आपको पता ही नहीं चलता, पर ऊपर आते time it makes you breathless. While I was coming back, I counted that there are 200 staircases altogether. But trust me, the another way to reach Kola Beach will make you trek for 4 kilometers. So yeah, I chose this one and it was beautiful. With such a beautiful view, staircase is never going to be a problem for you for sure. So I'm about to reach and there is the last stair. Let's go quickly and see the beach.
on seeing the first view of this beach, I decided that I'm going to come here for a sunrise, or maybe I'm again going to come to this place since I was not living in the properties like Blue Lagoon or Dwarka. But next time I'm definitely going to go and living in here. So the Dwarka property has a shack, and to that shack you do not have any access. They don't allow you. They only allow their own visitors. And the Blue Lagoon one, the shack is open for all the audience. You can go and sit there. In the evening, I was not able to explore the shacks because I was exploring this amazing ocean over there. The beach is superly beautiful. As you can see, there are so many rocks and the waves cutting the rocks. Oh god, that makes it so beautiful. I sat there, people were doing kayaking, people were playing so many games available over there.
रह गई. Wow, it has black sand. This beach has black sand.
By the way, on the beaches, I am most of the time overwhelmed. The best part of Kola Beach is the Blue Lagoon. The lagoon that is a natural lagoon formed over here, and it is so good to see. One side it's lagoon, another side it's a ocean. I am just going to show you that right away. Merely seeing people enjoying themselves is a treat to your eyes. Here you can see on the left, the shack is a private shack. If you are not living with Dwarka property, you can't go into that. And in front you can see there are huts. They are half of them are of Blue Lagoon. On the right side they are of Blue Lagoon. On the left side they are of Dwarka property. So yes, you can come here, live in these huts and have an access to all of these kayaking boats, kayaks and flippies. There are so many other fun activities available. You all can try that if you are here.
I made to this place which is Kola Beach. So Kola Beach में एक तरफ है समुद्र और दूसरी तरफ है लगून. और लगून मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया कितना सुंदर है लगून. So people are here swimming in this lagoon, enjoying. Flippy disc, what do you call that? They are playing that. बहुत मस्ती हो रही है. तो एक तरफ सनसेट हो रहा है और दूसरी तरफ लगून में लोग स्विम कर रहे हैं. लगून का पानी बहुत ठंडा है. I mean, you can swim in that, of course, but yeah, comparatively it is colder. कोला बीच की वाइब भी बहुत डिफरेंट है. हर बीच की वाइब अलग है यहाँ पे साउथ गोवा में. एंड दिल जीत लिया यार साउथ गोवा ने. तो it feels like staying here for 1 week, which I cannot. लोग ड्रोन उड़ा रहे हैं यहाँ पे. लगून के पास आकर सिर्फ बैठना आसान नहीं है. आई एम प्लानिंग टू गो इनटू इट नाउ. totally drenched, but this experience of Blue Lagoon was one of its kind. पीछे समुंदर है and just this side is the lagoon. Wow.
Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this vlog with your friends and motivate them to travel.